Good morning students. So in today's video we are going to see our coordination in life process, all the important questions. These important questions are taken from your Telangana State Board examination, so it is a very important. So let's see this one. Okay, so this is the notes actually. So we are looking the our important question. So let's see the important question. In the next video I will upload the notes also of the bio. Okay, so let's see this is a practice questions here. Okay, very short question answer. What is the role of the ghrelin and the leptical hormones? Okay, what is the olfactory whatever it is, write the functions. What is the material required for test the pH of the mouth? Okay, this third is important. What happen if the swallow food without chewing it? Okay, this is also important. And fifth is there, you can read about it. Okay, sixth one, what happen if there is no mucous layers of the, okay, I don't think. Seventh one is about diagram, so diagram is important. How taste and smells are interlinked with each other, this is also important. And why is a alimentary canal called the second brain? Okay, second one is also important. And this fourth one is important, it is there. Okay, this fourth one is important because it is diagram, and this is an easy one also. So here it is easy type question. Explain the process of Fadley's legs movement of the stomach with the help of diagram. Explain the role of belly of the digestive with the help of diagram. Second one you can read about it. Okay, then after leaf experiment, and then after it is over. Okay, so now it's come about the multiple choice question. So I hope you know about the multiple choice question. 10 marks for the multiple choice question. Okay, so in this one you can see this one. Okay, so this is a multiple choice question only. Once you read this, okay, and this is important because it asks you diagram, what we call that part. Okay, so it is still 7 here, let's see. Okay, so then after the next chapter is 8th one. So I hope till here it is clear, and I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding to this one. Okay, so if you want to see the all the chapters wise biology important question, so in description there is a link, you can check out. And if you are looking for the other subjects, then go to our channel, click on the playlist, and you can check out. So share this video with your friends, they can also get help with that. And we will meet our next video. Jai Hind.